Good evening, tutor and classmate. My name is Daza Rincon. My group number 515. I am 22 years old. I am study psychology. I am from San Martin Cesar. I work in a hospital. I love animals, and it is a pleasure to be able to share this learning with you. I am going to describe a little my travel experience in Cartagena, which was wonderful. I was with my friends from work. We decided to do this trip in order to rest and enjoy the wonder of the series. I was as I didn't eat at first the place here with went was to the island of Baru. I felt in love with that place. It is so incredible. I was a feeling star I had never felt was indescribable. Very beautiful it is to appreciate mangroves in the mirrors of holes and the beautiful beads with crystal clear waters. Think I would talk Gusto Mar de Selva, this beautiful place like as to a snake, the pure oxygen that is its breath there. The sounds of the sea breeze, the kindness of these people, its excellent gastronomy may make me experience unforgettable moments with finally sat the chair in dolphin shows. The climate is wet tropical is very pleasant. The morning are sunny indoors. I never thought that this place go away early so much place. For me it's for people who love natural and who need a place to fully rest. Thank you to all the wonder of the city. You can do multitude of activities next to the sea. Is the world of city with schools, square, cobble street, and colorful colonial building. Thank you.